Red massive star Betelgeuse, also known as Betelgeuse or Betelgeuse, would stretch out to Jupiter's orbit if placed in the Sun. It's massive and extremely erratic, about to blow up. These are some of the largest radioactive explosions throughout the cosmos, producing more energy than a billion suns. Betelgeuse, one of the most brilliant stars visible in the night sky, is a remarkable aspect of the celestial landscape. What makes Betelgeuse so fascinating is its striking orange color, which immediately draws attention, contrasting with many other stars. Betelgeuse is categorized as a variable star, meaning its brightness changes over time. This characteristic adds to its allure and mystery. At times, Betelgeuse can shine so brightly that it equals or even surpasses the brightest stars in the night sky, making it fascinating for both professional and amateur astronomers alike. For years, astronomers have speculated whether Betelgeuse might be on the verge of a devastating explosion known as a supernova, and what implications this might have for its immediate environment and Earth. While the notion of a nearby star exploding may sound terrifying, astronomers are excited about watching it unfold, as it would provide priceless insights about a star's life cycle. Betelgeuse is located 642 light-years away from Earth, which seems like a vast distance, but in astronomical terms, it's considered relatively close. If Betelgeuse were to replace the Sun in our solar system, its enormous size would stretch beyond Mars's orbit, potentially swallowing up Earth's inner worlds. This visualization demonstrates how small Earth is in comparison to the vast universe. Despite its proximity, there's no need for alarm. Betelgeuse is far enough away that even a supernova explosion would not directly affect us. In fact, it's an opportunity for scientists to investigate. Astronomers have been closely monitoring Betelgeuse, especially after it went through a significant and sudden dimming in 2019, which sparked much speculation. Some thought this fading indicated that Betelgeuse was about to explode. However, the star has since recovered most of its brightness, and it seems stable for now. Betelgeuse has an interesting history. Its name is derived from Arabic, meaning the giant's shoulder, and it holds historical importance across different cultures. As a member of the red supergiant class, Betelgeuse is among the largest types of stars in the universe. It resides in the constellation Orion and is easily recognizable due to its unique configuration of stars. Betelgeuse is roughly 430 light-years from Earth, though calculating such distances to red supergiant stars is difficult due to surrounding gas and dust clouds. What we do know is that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle, having exhausted most of its nuclear fuel. When it does finally explode as a supernova, it will unleash a phenomenal amount of energy. The brightness of Betelgeuse fluctuates, a characteristic that adds to its intrigue. Astronomers believe these fluctuations are due to its outer layers expanding and contracting, driven by complex interactions within the star's atmosphere. There is also evidence that Betelgeuse might be part of a binary star system, adding another layer of mystery to its study. The supergiant's impact extends beyond its immediate surroundings. The intense stellar winds and radiation produced by Betelgeuse can influence nearby cosmic systems, such as the Orion Nebula, which serves as a stellar nursery. Betelgeuse's life cycle, once a main-sequence star fusing hydrogen, now fuses helium and heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. When it reaches the iron stage, fusion will cease, causing its core to collapse, leading to the star's supernova. The study of Betelgeuse offers insights into the death of massive stars and the production of heavy elements in the universe. Despite its inevitable explosion, Betelgeuse has become ingrained in popular culture, inspiring references in books, movies, and music. Its name even inspired the title of Tim Burton's famous film, Betelgeuse, showing how celestial objects capture the public's imagination beyond just scientific interest. Betelgeuse, one of the most prominent and captivating stars in the night sky, has long intrigued scientists and stargazers alike. This colossal red supergiant, located in the constellation Orion, is not only a visual spectacle but also a cosmic enigma on the brink of an extraordinary transformation. Its sheer size, brilliance, and volatile nature make it a subject of intense fascination for those studying the life cycles of stars and the broader mechanics of our universe. As one of the largest and most erratic stars we can observe, Betelgeuse is a titan in the cosmos. With a radius over 764 times that of our Sun, it's truly difficult to comprehend the enormity of this celestial body. If Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would engulf everything up to the orbit of Jupiter, swallowing the inner planets, including Earth. Yet, despite its overwhelming size, Betelgeuse is considerably cooler than our Sun, with a surface temperature of about 3,600 kelvins, compared to the Sun's 5,778 kelvins. This cooler temperature gives it its distinctive orange-red glow, making it stand out among the stars. Betelgeuse's cool temperature and massive size indicate that it is in the final stages of its life as a red supergiant. For millions of years, this star, like all stars, converted hydrogen into helium in a process known as nuclear fusion. As it exhausted its hydrogen, Betelgeuse transitioned to fusing heavier elements such as helium, carbon, and oxygen. However, once a star begins to fuse iron, it signals the beginning of the end. Fusion of iron does not release energy. Rather, it consumes energy, causing the core to collapse. This catastrophic collapse will ultimately result in Betelgeuse's demise in a spectacular supernova explosion. When Betelgeuse does explode, the event will be one of the most incredible celestial phenomena witnessed by humankind. The supernova will be so bright that for a short time, it will outshine the full moon and be visible even during the day. This explosion will release more energy in a matter of seconds than our Sun will in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. Such an event will provide astronomers with invaluable data about the life and death of massive stars, which in turn helps us understand the broader workings of the universe. However, while the supernova will be an awe-inspiring event, scientists have assured us that Betelgeuse's explosion poses no immediate threat to Earth. Located approximately 642 light-years away, Betelgeuse is far enough that even a supernova won't harm us directly. The star is distant enough that, while it will be a brilliant spectacle, Earth will remain safe from any radiation or shockwaves. The dimming of Betelgeuse in late 2019 sparked widespread speculation about its imminent explosion. The star's brightness decreased dramatically, causing many to believe that Betelgeuse's supernova was on the horizon. However, after extensive study, astronomers determined that the dimming was likely caused by a massive ejection of gas and dust from the star's surface, which temporarily blocked some of its light from reaching Earth. This mass ejection, or coronal mass ejection (CME), is a common occurrence in stars but had never been observed on such a massive scale in Betelgeuse. The event resulted in the star losing hundreds of billions of times more material than a typical CME from our Sun. Since this extraordinary dimming event, Betelgeuse has gradually returned to its normal brightness, putting to rest the fears of an immediate supernova. Still, the erratic behavior of this star remains a subject of close study. The fact that Betelgeuse is so near the end of its life, and its volatility, is what makes it such a compelling object for astronomers. Every change in its brightness, every fluctuation in its outer layers, provides clues to the inner workings of a dying star. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is a member of a very exclusive club of stars that are among the largest and most massive in the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse don't live long. Their enormous mass leads them to burn through their nuclear fuel at a prodigious rate. While smaller stars like our Sun can shine for billions of years, red supergiants typically last only a few million years before they explode in supernovae. Betelgeuse is estimated to be around 10 million years old, making it a young star by stellar standards. However, in its brief lifetime, it has already consumed most of its nuclear fuel, leaving it in the final stages of its evolution. One of the most fascinating aspects of Betelgeuse's impending supernova is the potential scientific discoveries it could lead to. Supernovae are responsible for creating many of the elements heavier than iron, such as gold, silver, and uranium, which are scattered throughout the universe after the explosion. These elements are the building blocks of planets and even life itself. Studying Betelgeuse's supernova could offer new insights into the creation of these elements and how they spread throughout galaxies. Moreover, Betelgeuse is a key object of study for scientists trying to understand gamma-ray bursts (GRBs), which are some of the most energetic events in the universe. While Betelgeuse is not expected to produce a GRB, studying its evolution provides clues about the types of stars that do. GRBs are thought to occur when a massive star collapses into a black hole or neutron star, releasing an enormous amount of energy in a focused beam. Understanding the conditions under which these cataclysmic events occur could help astronomers predict where and when the next one might happen. Despite its potentially explosive future, Betelgeuse has long been a fixture in human culture and history. Its name, derived from the Arabic phrase, Ibt el-Jawza, meaning the giant's shoulder, refers to its position in the constellation Orion. Orion, with its easily recognizable shape, has been a guide for sailors, travelers, and astronomers for centuries. The constellation holds a special place in many mythologies, and Betelgeuse, as one of its brightest stars, has been a key part of that legacy. The allure of Betelgeuse extends beyond its scientific importance. Its name and presence have made their way into popular culture, most famously in Tim Burton's movie Beetlejuice. where the name was used for a mischievous and chaotic character. This pop culture reference highlights how celestial objects, particularly the most unique and striking, capture the public's imagination. In the coming years, astronomers will continue to monitor Betelgeuse closely, watching for any signs that it is nearing its final supernova. With advancements in technology, telescopes like NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and other ground-based observatories are collecting more data on the star's behavior than ever before. This continuous observation is key to understanding not only Betelgeuse but the life cycles of all massive stars. Betelgeuse remains a cosmic wonder, a ticking time bomb in the sky that offers both the promise of spectacular celestial fireworks and the potential to unlock new secrets of the universe. For now, we continue to gaze upward, waiting for the moment when Betelgeuse, one of the most famous stars in the night sky, finally meets its explosive end.